Hi, I'm Reshma Shankara. I work as an intelligent automation developer at Booking Holdings. I was first introduced to the field of product management when I was working in my previous organization in the automation space. So that's when I got to know that the product managers are someone who actually closely work with the customers and they try to understand the core problems of the customers, and it's not just only about solving the problem, because they need to resonate with their problems, understand them really well, and only then come up with a solution. I also got a chance to work as an extended product manager alongside my development responsibility in my previous organization. And I realized that I just don't want to build the engine of a car, but I also want to help steer the car. I was looking for an MBA program specifically focused on the leadership, building leadership skills in the core product domain. And I did my extensive research on what are the different programs available in the market. So that's when I came across the executive MBA program at IPL. And when I went through the curriculum, I think that I was able to resonate a lot, because that's what I was looking for in a program specifically. And I was looking for a program which was more focused on the offline mode, because I am a person who constantly needs a nudge from people. And I also saw that they have their special one-to-one coaching where you can go and set up a call with your professors, connect with them, and try to understand or for any specific problem that you're stuck with, and they're also more than happy to help you. So that's the whole aspect that I liked about it. And I think the career labs aspect of this program, specifically where you have certain trained professionals who are experienced in this specific domain, because it's an executive program which you're pursuing along with your career. So that's the aspect that I like a lot. And learning from each other, I think you're also getting a stage where you can openly, without any hesitation, go present yourself, ask questions, and you're not being judged by anyone, because everybody who, irrespective of their experience or background, are on the same page and there to learn. So that's what makes me comfortable and also gives me a confidence that I can do it outside this setting as well. So that's helping me build my skills a lot. This is what I'm enjoying. And the second thing would be, I think, the constant nudge and encouragement that you get from your professors over here. They always keep pushing you to go beyond your comfort zone, and they always encourage you to start something if you have a second thought in your mind. That's what I like. One of the things that I actually like and which is stuck with me is Sai sir always keeps saying that starting is the most difficult thing. Once you start, your journey just goes on. And don't hesitate. You need to step out of your comfort zone, because you always keep saying one thing: इससे ज़्यादा क्या होगा, क्या बुरा होगा. And yeah, I think the constant nudge and encouragement that you also get from your learning manager over here, when you probably skip something doing it, but you have a reminder from your learning manager where he comes and reminds you that, okay, this is due, you need to learn or complete certain stuff. One of the very important things that one needs to have is a clarity on what do you actually want or how do you want to transition, because the whole domain is pretty vast. Having a clarity is very important, and one need not follow what the others are doing. Everyone's learning path is very unique. Another important thing is your learning journey should not stop. You need to constantly keep the curiosity, kida that they say, live in you. And you need to keep yourself updated, because the market is very diverse and it's rapidly changing. So that's a very important perspective. And I think it's the same feedback that I also keep getting from my own mentors.